So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me Electrical. So today with me I have this old 2000's box logo Crompton Greaves ceiling fan regulator. So this is a 2000's Crompton Greaves high breeze fan regulator. So this is the regulator, as you can see. High breeze ceiling fan regulator. So this is the regulator. This plastic thing is faded. So let me just open and show you. The regulator is not tested yet, so I don't know how it is, but we'll see. I've just connected it to the series lamp and I'll show you what's inside. Just a second. Ah, ah, sorry for the delay. Just a second. uh, Screw. You can see here, I'm just opening the screw here. Already open. So I don't have the fan with me. I just got this regulator actually. So I don't know how good this is. Mostly these regulators are known for failure. Many people, many a times the regulators don't survive for a long time. So I literally don't know. So let's see. The plastic is all the way faded. So yes, this opened. This is the thing here. That's the register. So this. Ouch! This rotary is tight. So 0401, this means this is since April 2001. So this already 2 decades old. You can see this is the thing. Inside is okay, but from outside this is faded. So let's see. So here are all the connections. So not checked yet. So let's see. I'll close the regulator back, and I have already connected this to a series lamp, so we'll just check the regulator for now. So let's see if this works or not. I'm closing back this thing. Fuck. So let's check. If this is not working, I'll dump this. Okay, I guess the screws are tight. Now let's just put this. Okay, so the regulator is assembled. Now let's check this thing up. So this is my series lamp. Let's check this shit. Oh, it's already connected. So let's see. So line is given 1. So not working on 1 speed. 2, 3, not working until now. 4, nope. 5. 5 is when the regulator is disconnected. What the fuck? On 5, obviously this will work. Okay, so the disconnecting of resist. Okay, so this thing works. Only 1 speed is working. On the rest this doesn't. So that means this was just working on full speed and not on any other speed. So what the fuck? So that means this regulator is gone. This has already done its duty. So I guess I have to dump this regulator. We'll see, or else I'll change the resistor. 420 ohm resistor, I think I can get that and I can replace this. We'll see. So guys, that's it for today. If you want more contents like these, do comment it in comment section. I'll try to bring more contents like these. And thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. I'll see whether I'm getting this regulator repaired, or I am just throwing it away, or I am keeping just for a collection. Let's see.